Unraveling Slang, the meaning of feeling wormy. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're exploring a rather peculiar phrase, feeling wormy. You might be scratching your head, wondering what worms have to do with feelings. Well, let's dig in and discover the meaning behind this quirky expression. Feeling wormy isn't a phrase you'll find in classic literature or formal writing. It's actually a colloquial expression that describes a feeling of restlessness or discomfort. Imagine a worm squirming around. It doesn't stay still, right? That's the essence of feeling wormy. You're fidgety, maybe a bit uneasy, and you can't quite settle down. It's not entirely clear where feeling wormy comes from, but it's thought to be American slang. It could be linked to the physical sensation of worms moving, which translates metaphorically to a person's inability to stay still or feel at ease. It's one of those expressions that's more about the imagery it conjures up than a literal meaning. Let's look at some examples of how to use feeling wormy in everyday conversation. I've been feeling wormy all day. I just can't concentrate on my work. The child seemed feeling wormy during the long car ride, constantly asking if they were there yet. Notice how the phrase effectively conveys a sense of impatience or unease without needing a lengthy explanation. And there you have it, a quick journey through the meaning of feeling wormy. Next time you're feeling a little restless or squirmy, you'll have the perfect expression to describe your state. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful phrase and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay curious about language.